Check the speedometer, 300 dash in the way I do that on the feet. Check the thermometer, getting too hot when I'm doing this. Bringing the heat, you just a follower, said you forgot your own life, and now you a part of the sheet. I need a shine, I feel like there's people that bring in the dark out of me. Pick it back up again, fall to the bottom, up again. Used to be tough, but I'm blessed. I don't know why I'm stressed. I don't know why I'm stressed. Fuck with my head, I'm losing my mind. I gotta delete. Can I silence the ego inside of my head and just have all the thoughts that it blasts? I had to block out the voices and focus on music. Can't let it get to my head. I had to get through the nights with no money or food on the table. Damn, me overstressing and thinking and making it right. I just need to forget. I'm trying to silence my ego. That shit's an illusion. I'm doing my best. All I be hearing is, bro, you done came from the ruins to doing what nobody gets. I'm trying to silence my ego. I'm sick of confusion. I need to be passing the test. All I be hearing is, bro, you done came from the ruins to doing what nobody gets. I have been broken to thousands of pieces. I gotta be smarter and more indirect. Now they be hearing my music and all of a sudden they just keep on saying I'm next. Singer, a rapper, a writer, producer, DJ, spinning without any decks. I don't need no competition, I'm versing myself, I'm the best. It's BVB, I'm the best.
Haters motivate me, cause when they talking about me, that means I'm doing something.
Set up a trap, let me see if they bite. Know that you don't wanna hear it confess. At the beginning I used to be stressed. I see a dollar, me throw him a treat. Need to keep working until I'm the best. Ran out of time, there's not enough hours and days. There's not enough days in a week. Out of my mind, I feel like these voices are talking to me in my sleep. I tried to help you and I saw you spilling, but I couldn't fix any leaks. I tried to help you and I saw you spilling, but I couldn't fix any leaks. Out of my head.
It's Zahren, baby.